Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today I'm going to be making a very easy crock pot bread pudding. For that, I have a whole loaf of bread, usually just white bread. I chose a nice brioche bread that had chocolate chips in it and just let it sit out overnight to get nice and stale. So we're going to pour that in. I've also taken 3 eggs, about a half a cup of cream, about a fourth of a cup of milk, a teaspoon of nutmeg and cinnamon, and I'm going to be whisking that together and we'll pour it in here. I'm going to be adding about a good half a cup for now of brown sugar. Give that a good little stir up. Going to go into the crock pot at a nice low heat for the next 5 to 6 hours. Okay, after 5.5 hours of cooking, it looks delicious and like this. Just like a bread pudding should look. I think I'm used to it having bigger bread chunks, but this should be awesome. So I turned off the crock pot. I'm going to let it get slightly cooler. Alright, I've dished out some of that bread pudding. I'm eager to try this. Let's get in there. Get some. Let's go. Well, I'm going to have to say it tastes pretty amazing. I can taste the cranberry. I was almost kind of worried about it. I don't see any trace of the white chocolate, which is kind of disappointing, but, it's melted in there. It's fine. And it still has that nice consistency that bread pudding has. So I would say this is an amazing little addition to any holiday food. Or whenever you want just a slightly out there version of bread pudding. I've also seen it done with oranges and apples, so that's kind of intriguing too. But I chose this one for now. Anyways, if you have any thoughts and have any things to say about what you think I did wrong or right with this, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in our next one.